how to assign or renounce to mentor or pause a role. As the owner of your account, initially, you have all the roles of an administrator. If your token has the ability to mint or pause, you will have mint or pause role assigned to your account. Also, as an owner, you have the right to assign these roles to other accounts, and every account with some of these roles has the ability to renounce to them. Even you, as an owner, can renounce to this role. So if you are planning to quit as a minter or a pauser, please make sure that any other account has this ability, otherwise, your token will not be able to be minted or paused. Also, keep in mind that accounts with minter or pauser role can assign these roles to other accounts. Let's first assign a minter role to a new account. To do that, just log in with an account with minter role. Paste the address of the account you want to turn into a minter in the search bar. Click on Search. When the address appears, you can see the buttons, Add Minter Role and Add Pauser Role. Click on Add Minter Role, click on Add Minter Role again. Confirm the dialog system window and the MetaMask transaction. After a few minutes, the account you choose will have a minter role assigned. The process is exactly the same if you want to assign a pauser role to an account. Now that you have given the minter role to someone else, imagine that you want to renounce your minter role. To do that, simply click on the Renounce Minter Role button, click Renounce Minter Role again. Confirm the system dialog in the MetaMask window. After a few minutes, you can see that you are no longer a minter, so you will not be able to mint from your wallet in WP Smart Contracts or in any other system that uses your token. Of course, the process is the same to renounce to a pauser role. Well done! See you in the next video.